a leak, I think, in the floor. It is literally get the basin in, toilet in. So that's a bit of an issue. Basically, I fucked up, really, long and short of it. Right, so just starting a different job today. You might see a bit of a difference in camera quality because I'm just got a GoPro type thing. So yeah, today we're just taking, well, rerouting 2 heating pipes. So there was a leak, I think, in the floor. They had to keep turning up, repressurising their boiler. So yeah, instead of taking up the floor, I'm just going to run the pipe surface mounted, and then yeah, and get the heating back on. So I'll do. I'll show you basically what we've done. So yeah, there was a leak somewhere in this floor on the heating side, so kept having to top the pressure up and stuff. So basically what I've done is just rerouted the pipe surface. So I'll show you that now. So connected onto the existing pipes there. Came up full on and then onto the pipe valves, onto the press. They run all the way along, bend round there, bend round that gas pipe, up the wall, along the ceiling, and then in here, and then down to that radiator there. So
I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Sorry for the first bit, there was a little bit kind of up here of like timestamp where I didn't turn the setting off on the camera, so yeah. But yeah, a couple of good jobs this week so far. It's only Wednesday morning now, so got a few more to do today. Just a few different bits. So I did a job a couple of weeks ago now. Basically I fucked up, really, long and short. I fit it was that kitchen, the boiling tap job. So they wanted two basin taps fitted, one in their family bathroom and then one in their ensuite. So because I was too focused on getting the kitchen tap done and the boiling tap part, I kind of overlooked it a little bit. So I did their family bathroom one, and then I also, instead of fitting a new tap in their ensuite, I fit it in the downstairs cloakroom. So yeah, so I'm just going over today with another tap. So I'll cover the cost of the tap because it was my fault, but yeah, so at least I'll have three new taps in the house. And then when I was doing the waste for the family bathroom, they didn't, when the basins were fitted, they didn't bolt them to the wall. They literally just siliconed them. So as I was trying to lift the front of the basin up so I could get the pedestal out, I managed to crack a tile, which I didn't realise until the customer saw it about 3 days later. So yeah, it wasn't very noticeable, but obviously it's not right. So I'm going back today to go and take the basin off the wall. They've got a load of new tiles anyway, so I put a new tile on, grout it, put the basin back on, fit the new tap, then I think that's it for that job. Then it's drip-in kitchen tap, so I'll just take the repair box with me that Tiffy's mentioned in his videos you can get from Plumber, a lifesaver. I think they're about I think they're about 150 quid, something like that. But honestly, the amount of different tap internals or tap cartridges that you can get, it's not worth picking just a random set, going over to the job and then finding they don't fit. So it's always worth to take that, and then you've got all of the tap internals there ready. So and then it's fit a kitchen sink and a new tap. So it's a very tappy kind of day today. And then second fix a bathroom for the rest of the week, so tomorrow and Friday. So I put a poll out on my Instagram for installer show, like the video for it. So I can either do it so that it's a separate video, or I can tie it into my weekly video that comes out every Monday. So go on my Instagram, I'll put the link somewhere here, and then just let me know. So if I do a separate video, it will probably be out sort of Wednesday, Thursday next week, or this week by the time you're watching this video. And then if I get more for in the video, then it will be next Monday again. So yeah, thanks for watching, and like, comment, subscribe. just back at the bathroom, my next door neighbours now. So it's all tiled, pretty much apart from that wall. But yeah, got trays in and all the tiles are done for the shower. So plan for today is literally get the basin in, toilet, and then second fix really. So shower valve on, and the screen, and then get the waste into the shower because I couldn't last time. I couldn't when I was here last, sorry. So and then I can get the radiator on as well. So yeah, should be a good day. And then get cracking, really. So I've already found the first problem. I didn't realise that they wanted a concealed cistern, and where the centre of the toilet is, this shelf thing that they've made, basically just is in the way. So I mean the centre of it needs to be here, so obviously that's all in the way now. So I knew they were boxing out the wall, but I didn't know if it was a concealed cistern or just a normal toilet. So that's a bit of an issue. Oh, well, we'll see what we can do with that. So managed to get the flush pipe there. Obviously it's not in the centre of that cistern, but luckily the flush pipe was actually, I can't really see, was 40mm, so I managed to get a compression 40mm, 45 to bring it out where it needed to be. So yeah, luckily it can keep the shelf or cubby hole or whatever. But yeah. Right, so we've got the toilet all finally done now, with the pan connector flush pipe, and then just put the flush button on there as well. So that's all done. And then he did measure that quite well, didn't he? But yeah, have it as a little cubby hole, I think, for like toilet rolls and just stuff like that. But just got the worktop back on now, so I'm just gonna get the basin in and connect it up. Right, so I've got the basin done. Nice black tap. I do like these, and the black waste. But now time for the shower, and there's music playing, so I'm probably going to get demonetised for this. Right, it's Friday morning, and yeah, back at this bathroom job, just here for the morning. I'm not really, haven't really got a lot left to do. So, got the shower on the wall now. Nice. I love the black accessories, like the black tap, the black waste, the black shower. The only thing I do wish was that the flush button was black, but that could always be kind of masked up and then painted at a later stage. So yeah, because I think the radiator that's going here is black as well. So yeah, got quite a lot done yesterday. Had a bit of a nightmare with the toilet, as you should have seen, but yeah, that's all in. Just need to put the seat on now. So yeah, nearly done. Also, tell me what you think about the quality of this video as well. Because I recently got a new camera, because I was filming it all on my phone before, and it was, you know, if I'd be filming me working just a bit of a faff. So bought a kind of a rip-off GoPros. It's called a Casso 7 Brave 7, I think. Just for fun, there's only what, 150 quid, something like that. I mean, so far it's been really good. The only thing I don't like about it is that to get the videos from the camera to my phone, they have an app that you can use, but it's when, say if I record a 5-second long clip, when I then download it through the Wi-Fi to my phone, it goes to about 117 hours in length. So it's obviously 0 FPS. So yeah, that's a bit annoying. So I'm having to kind of put the SD card from the camera into my Mac, and then uploading all the files onto there. Then I can upload that onto iCloud and then put that onto my phone. So I'm yet to do that. So yeah, hopefully I'll work out to it before Monday, because it wouldn't be very good if I can't. So.